These teeth, carbide teeth, they're replaceable. You can get them here and get them through Leatherman. This blade, if you bring it out to 3 o'clock, hold this tab so the blade can slip under your finger. You can take it out, put in a diamond file or any Bosch jigsaw blade.
Can you take that out so I could see what shape it is, to see that it's the same as a jigsaw blade?
Well, any jigsaw blade that has that T, universal T setup.
Okay.
And the more it's rough to get it started, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. I wouldn't lubricate it with anything lighter than or anything heavier than Valistol. I like the way that works. You have 2 other straights and a leather tool. It gives you the ability to do tent sewing if you need to. A pull-out bit and can opener and a wire stripper.
So you have that pull-out bit that you can take out, but with this adapter...
With this adapter, I can take this and I can put this in here. I could put this bit in here. Since I like using a 1/4-inch drive, the 1/4-inch drive is a little bit more stable, and all points of a dedicated Phillips head instead of a flat will rest a lot better in the screw. So I find that using a 1/4-inch drive head or drill bit works.
And that works as a ratchet also?
Sure, this works as a ratchet. This tool allows you to take a knife out by itself without opening it up. Your liner lock release is there. Your scissors.
Can you show me that liner lock again?
Sure. Liner lock is in the same place for all the tools. When you put your scissors out, wait for that to lock, and you'll be able to cut. Your liner lock is right here. And on all of the tools, here, the liner lock is in the same place, because when you lock this out, it's in the same place. When you go to change this, you want to make sure you bring it to 3 o'clock, make your change, and then you can lock it out to do what you want to do. Your serrated blade has got jimping on top, so you know it is a serrated blade. If you're not looking down at it, you'll know what blade you have on underneath your thumb. And the liner lock is, again, in the same place right by the lock-on nut. These are your liner lock releases for all your tools in here. And right here, in this portion right there, just ahead of my fingernail, if you press that up, this lanyard loop will pop out and you could attach a lanyard to it. And that's about everything.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.